Huskabusio muraibu kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni gamochirio muraibu ense asowe sonani anugotenene ligwinya gitari ya Nairobi asa tebire ni gere egati yemerobere yae yokorigia kogora enyagitari eyo utoboigo kaukwana emya Bungoma chinga kichietaro yae ya magenderero ni gatebire gwesonani kwae ase nyagitari eyo ngobwatikana no kuburia kurwa ase abanyagitari abo bamusabite obokonyi ilikwenekia enyagitari ngotwarere oboteneneri obuya murikito Linet Kema na robotiro
Omuraiwe kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni gagenderere komochi omuraiwe ense William Ruto asoko gendera goswana na nyagitari ya Nairobi Hospital na goturubania obokoreri bwaye.
There was a plan. That hospital is a limited company by guarantee.
Gachagua gagukwana sama tanga ya moyoko mwene Margaret Wangui omonyaroka o Dr. George Kiongera oyo oromusanyoye asebunge ya Njoro ni gatebire ekirenga kia Ruto no gokora amaonsoreria asinyagitari eyo erio anyore chishare.
And William Ruto had sent the Attorney General to intimidate and coerce the directors to change the shareholders into shares so that they can buy those shares. Na saa ile imekuwa joto sana, walishika directors to intimidate them to cede that hospital to William Ruto and his people. But because Wakenya wamelalamika sana, sasa amepidua lugha leo akiwa Mount Elgon.
Ruto oyora setaro ya magenderero orogongo rwa Western asiritukoria kabererero ni gamochiria ENSEMO yo kwamerera serikali asokwena kia chingwana choborimo igoro yoko ni gwa kwenya gitari ya Nairobi Hospital.
Those brainless opposition, they are just scavengers. Scavenging on any headline. Oh, sijui nini Nairobi Hospital nauzwa, sijui nani anataka kununua, wacheni ujinga.
Kagokwana ENSEMO ya Mount Elgon, Ruto niga tebire ogweswana na kwa ya senyagitari eyo ngobwatikana no kobore kurwa saba nyagitari abo bamusabeto obokonyi erio kwene kenyagitari eyo ngotwarere oboteneneri obuya erinde egenderere kurwa bokoreri asaba na inchi.
As President in the Republic of Kenya, as patron of Nairobi Hospital, senior doctors, senior professionals from Nairobi hospitals approached me to save Nairobi Hospital from conmen, from fraudsters, and from charlatans who wanted to expropriate Nairobi Hospital. And I want to say, for the avoidance of doubt, nataka niwaambie wa Kenya, Nairobi Hospital is a premier medical institution hospital in the Republic of Kenya. In fact, it serves the region. There is no way I am going to allow Nairobi Hospital to be taken over, taken hostage by charlatans, by conmen, by fraudsters. That is why I have instructed with clarity that all those who are involved in fraudulent activities in Nairobi Hospital will be removed. They will be taken to court. They will be charged. And Nairobi Hospital is going to serve the people of Kenya.
Komenta nayo Gachagua niga tebire serikali nigo ebwate deni ye bilioni yemo nugute yemo.
Na kama unataka kusaidia Nairobi Hospital, the government, your government owes Nairobi Hospital 1.1 billion. Can you release that money to Nairobi Hospital? Hiyo ndio njia ya kusaidia Nairobi Hospital.
Boigo niga kwaneiro ko lindori wo kwena no kwebibande anene mono asaba sayabwo barase chinsemo chiri chikageire koba cyo kwamereria serikali.
Nimepata habari hapa Nakuru iko ubaguzi mambo ya vitambulisho. Jamii zingine zinaenda zinapewa vitambulisho haraka. Jamii zingine zinawekewa vitambulisho mwezi 3, mwezi 4. Tunataka kuuliza Registrar of Persons to apply fairness and equity across Kenya, and no children of the right age to be allowed to get identity cards before mass voter registration so that they can participate in the next election.
ENSEMO TV Ninche Linet Kemto.